Hi guys, let's see how to show negative percentages in red color in Google Sheets. So just select that particular column in which the percentages exist and click on Format and then click on Conditional Formatting. Now since you have selected the column earlier, it is written here. Otherwise you can select it by clicking on it and then selecting here. Now click on this Format Cells If and click on it and choose Custom Formula As. And now what you have to do, you have to just type the formula. Now type the first cell value B1 is equals to B1 is less than 0. Okay. And for that what you want only percentages to appear in red. So the background select as white, but select the text color as red. Okay. And click on done, and that's it. Whenever you will type some positive percentages, it's okay, but whenever you type some negative percentages, it will be in red. Thanks for watching. Please do like.